Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 camera drones. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, ZLL SG909 MAX. Specifications. Brand name, TELE. Motor type, brushless motor. Battery capacity, 5,200 mAh. Max descent speed, 3 meters per second. Max flight time, 35 minutes. FPS, 25 frames per second. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. GPS, yes. Pixels, 8 million. Display control, yes. Connectivity, app controller, remote control, Wi-Fi. Control channels, 6 channels. Flight time, 40 minutes. Remote distance, 6,000 m. Sensor size, 1/2.5 inches. Video resolution, 3840x2160p. Photo resolution, 3840x2160p. Weight, about 764 grams. Product number 4, Potensic C0 Atom 2 Drone. Specifications. Brand name, Potensic. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. Flight time, 20 to 30 minutes. Control channels, 4 channels. Motor, brushless motor. Warranty, 12 months. Charging time, about 1.5 h. Remote distance, max 10 km. Material, plastic. Weight, 249 grams. Product number 3, FEMI X8 TELE MAX Drone. Specifications. Brand name, FEMI. Model number, FEMI Mini 3 Drone. Video capture resolution, 4K UHD. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. Flight time, 10 to 20 minutes. Control channels, 4 channels. Motor, brushless motor. Remote control, yes. Material, plastic, metal. Weight, about 249 grams. Product number 2, DJI Neo 2 Drone. Specifications. Brand name, DJI. Motor type, brushless motor. Max wind speed resistance, 10 km per hour. Battery capacity, 1606 mAh. Weight, about 151 grams. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, app controller. Remote distance, 10 kilometers. Camera features, 4K HD video recording. Product number 1, New L600 Pro Max. Specifications. Brand name, SCWDSE. Operating frequency, 2.4 GHz. Battery capacity, 4,500 mAh. Transmission range, 4 kilometers. GPS, yes. Pixels, 10 million. Euro, 6-axis. Flight time, 28 minutes. Remote distance, 3 kilometers. Frequency, 5G. Sensor size, 1/4 inches. Optical zoom, 10x and below. Weight, 350 grams.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.